Click on the link below to get price. The electric bike for adults is a game changer for those who seek both convenience and adventure in their daily commute or recreational activities. With its sleek design and robust features, this e-bike delivers an impressive blend of style, functionality, and efficiency. One of the standout aspects of this electric bike is its powerful motor. With up to 750 watts of peak power, it provides a smooth and swift ride, effortlessly tackling varied terrains, from city streets to hilly landscapes. The pedal assist feature allows riders to choose their level of effort, which makes uphill climbs feel significantly less daunting. Even on flat roads, the bike offers an exhilarating experience, reaching speeds of up to 28 miles per hour without a hitch. The battery life is another impressive feature of this electric bike. Equipped with a high-capacity lithium-ion battery, it can cover an impressive range of approximately 40 to 60 miles on a single charge, depending on the terrain and riding mode. This means you can confidently embark on longer journeys without the constant worry of running out of power. Plus, the battery is removable, making it convenient for charging at home or the office. Comfort is a key consideration in any bike, and this e-bike does not disappoint. The adjustable seat and ergonomic handlebars provide a comfortable riding position, reducing strain on the back and wrists during longer rides. Additionally, the 26-inch wheels and front suspension ensure a smooth ride over bumpy surfaces, enhancing overall stability and control. Safety features have also been prioritized. The bike is outfitted with front and rear disc brakes that deliver strong stopping power, ensuring riders can come to a halt quickly when needed. Meanwhile, integrated LED lights enhance visibility during nighttime rides. In conclusion, the electric bike for adults offers a superb blend of performance, comfort, and safety, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to elevate their cycling experience. Whether for commuting or leisure, this electric bike is sure to impress.